What's up, guys? It's your girl Slave Harris here, and today I'm going to be telling you the top 5 items, beauty related items, that I cannot live without. Like, I would literally be deceased without these items, okay? And one of them isn't an item, it's actually a brand, but when we get to that, we'll get to that. So before I start rambling, let's get straight on to the items that I cannot even breathe. Oxygen is not even a thing without them, okay? The first item is an item that I use every single day when I'm going out while I'm doing my makeup. So this is an accessory. It is this right here, the beat bib. And as you can see, it's dirty because I use it daily. Now you're probably looking at this like, what in the world is this, Paris? Listen, you know when you do your makeup, you're always wearing like an inky dinky ugly shirt because you know your shirt, your clothes is gonna get ruined with foundation, eyeshadow, fallout, like all of that. With the beat bib, out. You can be wearing your most fanciest, most bougiest, sexiest outfit, okay? Which means you already got dressed before you did your makeup. You put the bib on top, you do your makeup, so all the fallout, all the foundation, all the eyeshadow, all the glitter, all of that is not getting on your clothes. No, it's not. It's gonna fall right onto the beat bib, but that's not the only reason this is my must-have, I would die without item. On top of it protecting your clothes, you could be doing your eyeshadow, right? Just doing it or whatever. You're just doing your eyeshadow or whatever. And you're like, shoot, I don't want orange no more. I need to change this color. I want black. I need black now, but I need to use the same brush. Bitch, you just do this right here, right quick, and the beat bib gets the color right off, and you ready for your new color. Shit. That is the main reason why I love the beat bib, because when I'm doing my eyeshadow, I tend to use the same brushes over and over again. You literally just swatch it off in your beat bib and your brush is clean and ready for a new color. No chemical, no spray, no makeup remover needed. It's so quick, it's so simple, it's so easy. I friggin' love this. But wait, there's more. I think this is like the perfect gift for a makeup artist or someone who's really into makeup, because one, for makeup artists, if you're a makeup artist, you need this for your clients. Because listen, your most frequently used items, bam, 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 can go right in all of these pockets. You got plenty of space, girl. And if you just love makeup and you want to grab your item really quick, pop right in the pocket, use your beauty blender, you ready to go. It's 100% cotton. You could throw it in the washer when it gets too dirty, which is not very often because you have plenty of space. Plenty of space to swatch your eyeshadows off on, okay? But when you're ready to clean it, just throw it in the washer. It's safe to go in the washer. It's obviously, it's reusable. So you buy this, you're keeping it forever, and it's cute. Like, it just says beat bib and like the logo's cute and shit. Like, I just love this. I find this most helpful because when listen, I'm a girl. I like to wear tight clothing, okay? That's just me. And normally what we all do is we do our makeup first and then we put our clothes on after because you don't want to mess up your clothes. But the thing is, when you do your makeup and then you put your clothes on, 9 times out of 10, you're rubbing foundation on the collar of your shirt. You're gonna have to reapply that foundation, reapply that concealer. Either that or you're stretching out the neck of your clothing, which is not cute. So the beat bib allows you to wear your clothes first and do your makeup after, and then when you're done, you pop it off and look, you ready to bounce. Let's go. What you mean? And I have some great news for you beauties out there. I am teaming up with Beat Bib to give one of you guys a free beat bib for yourself. The contest ends in 3 days, and all you have to do is follow the Slay Paris on Instagram, Hey Paris on Instagram, those are both me, and follow Beat Bib on Instagram. I'm gonna post a picture on Slay Paris with me wearing a beat bib, and on that post all you have to do is tag one friend, and the winner will be announced 3 days from the date that this video is posted. All of the details are gonna be in the description box down below, just in case you get a little bit confused, okay? And for those of you who want to purchase this right now or buy it for one of your friends or your girlfriends because you looking for something to buy for Valentine's Day, I got you, boy. Beat bib. You can use the discount code Hey Paris for 25% off your order, okay? Thank me later. Thank me later, okay? The next must-have I would die without item I recently found, and I will never ever go without it for the rest of my life. It is this beauty right here. It's the Moschino Tony Moly collection, the 100 Hour Cream. If y'all didn't know, I have super dry skin. Like, my skin is like top-notch dry, okay? And it's really hard for me to find a moisturizer that actually works for my skin. The only reason I picked this up, I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm gonna be real honest with you right now, is because the packaging is beautiful. It had a little bit of something there, sorry. And I thought it was gonna look really cute on my vanity, but the day I bought this, I came out the shower, my face was feeling mad dry. I put a little bit of this on, and I'm telling you guys, I woke up the next day and my skin was still completely hydrated. They ain't playing when they say 100 hours. They not playing with you. They not. Because if I put this on at 9 a.m., 9 p.m., my face is still going to be moisturized. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but like a bitch glowing, and it's all thanks to this. It's not my foundation. It's literally this. The original makers without the Moschino collaboration is Tony Moly's 100-Hour Cream, which is a K-Beauty brand, which is why it's so immaculate, because K-Beauty got it down pat. I don't know what's in there. I don't want to know what's in there. I just know it works. It do. So all of my dry skin beauties out there, you definitely have to pick this up. It's like $40, which may seem like a lot to some people, but I promise you it's worth every single penny. It has changed my skin, like, dramatically. I cannot not live my life without this. I'm not exaggerating. It's that good. And sticking on the topic of skin, listen, you guys, I know a lot of people have probably raved about this countless times, but let me tell you, they are not lying. This Tatcha Silk Primer is life. It is life. That's the meaning of life, okay? Tatcha is the meaning of life. The way this goes on your skin and sets your makeup up for nothing but success is redonkulous, okay? It comes with a little applicator like this, and that's what it looks like inside. You just scrape a little off, and then you get it, oops, like that. Let me put some on the back of my hand and explain to y'all why this feels like heaven and what it does for your makeup, your foundation. Listen, I'm rubbing this on and it just feels like everything's gonna be all right. That's what it feels like. It feels like life, no matter what I'm going through right now, everything gonna be okay. It feels like your grandmother just rubbing the back of your back and patting it like, you good, it's okay. Like, it feels amazing. It makes your makeup, not only does it make your makeup look so much better, but it's like it blurs all of your imperfections before you put your foundation on to hide your imperfections. So now when you mix the two together, the foundation that covers your imperfection and this primer that's already blurring the imperfections, it creates a flawless airbrush in real life Photoshop bitch. I'm a Photoshop bitch. Like, you see me in real life, you're like, okay, but where's your pores? Where are your pores? And when I tell you these two combined, I'm not even gonna go into detail because I may just collapse. But y'all, when I tell you, this bad boy runs for, I don't remember how much it is, but it's pretty pricey. But I would literally save up my money to get this if you're into makeup and you want a flawless looking complexion. You guys, I would not lie to you, and I am not sponsored. This shit is so bomb. So bomb. My fourth must-have item is actually a brand, and it's actually perfumes. I have been talking about this for so long over on my Instagram accounts because, listen, it's, just my nose is tingling. It's tingling. It is Kayali, okay? Kayali is a brand made by Huda Beauty and I believe her sister. And the entire purpose of this brand, these perfumes, are to highlight the amazingness of layering your perfumes. And layering your perfumes is basically when you put two perfumes together and you create a brand new scent. And if you guys didn't know, I have been a fragrance specialist for a very long time. Like, most of my careers had to do with fragrances. Okay, and I had to get them all. So I got the vanilla, I got the elixir, I got the musk, and the citrus. And I do not regret getting all of them at all. I feel like these are my new favorite perfumes. I haven't been touching anything else except for them. And I'm gonna make a completely separate video explaining to you the scents of each of these fragrances and why I love them so much. So I'm not gonna give you guys too much details about it because I want you guys to watch that video to really get an in-depth look on why this brand is amazing. and why the price of it is worth it, I'm gonna make a separate video reviewing the entire collection, okay guys? But just know, I can't live without them. Impossible. And my last must-have to die for item is another brand, and I talk about them all the time on my beauty channel. It is Juvia's Place, okay? Juvia's Place has super high pigmented eyeshadows that are really high quality. Not sponsored again, but I would love to be. I would love to be. But you guys know I'm not lying about the quality and amazingness of this brand, because your girl got every single palette that they have ever released. I mean, every single palette. There's so many different variety of colors. Look at this. So many different ranges of shades. You got mattes, you got shimmers, you got glitters, and they are all super crazy high quality and very crazy pigmented. To the point where if someone told me you have to either keep all of your eyeshadow palettes that you have, which I have a lot, and throw away all Juvia's Place, or keep Juvia's Place and throw away all your other eyeshadows, all my other eyeshadows, they can bounce. They can leave, they can go. I don't need you. I could live my happiest, greatest, best life just using Juvia's Place palettes alone forever. Okay, it's that serious. And not only are they black owned, but they're also very inexpensive, very affordable. And for the price, you get luxury quality eyeshadows, okay? You heard it here first, folks. You heard it here first. Anyways, guys, those are the 5 items that I cannot live without. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box down below for all the items that I've mentioned today, so that you guys can either pick them up for yourself or read up more about them or whatever. If you're trying to give your man some hints for Valentine's Day on what you want for Valentine's Day, you better send him this link. I'm gonna talk to him real quick. Hey, so your girlfriend told me to tell you that she would like any one of the things that I just mentioned in today's video. Like, you know she likes makeup, you know she's into makeup, and any of these things would make her really happy. So do what you're supposed to do and make your girl happy. You feel me? Links in the description box down below, okay? Thank you for keeping my girl happy, because we know you're gonna keep her happy, right? Right? Okay. Make sure you guys find me on Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram, all that jazz in the description box down below for your convenience. Just a heads up that me and my fiance did start a vlogging channel, youtube.com/ParisCant. Link is gonna be in the description as well. And I'm also starting The Sims 4 Let's Play channel, youtube.com/PlayParis. That's also in the description box down below for your convenience. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you've tried any of these, if you love them, if you hate them. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you're gonna pick them up. If you don't plan on picking them up, I don't know. Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Toodles.